welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Sumanli Sarumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Meghalaya launches campaign for a garbage-free India. Roadshow in Maukarwat encourages school dropouts to continue education. Electric post in flames in Montran questions safety. Northeast Entrepreneurship Machinery Innovation and Exhibition Event 2023 inauguration embeds hope in entrepreneurs. And now the news in detail. On September 20th, the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Meghalaya launched the Swachhata Hi Seva campaign aimed at achieving a cleaner India. The initiative, also known as the Garbage Free India campaign, commenced with a meeting held at the State Convention Hall, Shillong. This vital campaign is set up to run until October 2nd, coinciding with the 154th birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The Swachhata Hi Seva campaign spotlights the meticulous cleaning of localities, water, reservoirs and rivers. Leading this mission is the Minister in charge of the PHE, Public Health Engineering Department, Marcus N. Marak, who graced the occasion in the presence of the Commissioner and Secretary of the State Government in charge of the PHE Department, Syed Mohammad A. Razi, and the Mission Director of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Meghalaya, J.P. Lakyang, MCS. Additionally, S. Lingdo, the additional Chief Engineer of PHE, and community leaders representing different towns of Shillong, as well as religious leaders from various groups, came together to support this crucial campaign.
It focuses on the idea that cleanliness is not just the responsibility of the government, but of every citizen. This mission was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, with the aim of creating a cleaner and healthier environment for all of us. Swachhata Hi Seva stands as a reminder of the importance of cleanliness in our daily lives. It urges us to recognize the impact of our actions on the environment and encourages active participation in cleanliness drive. The emphasis is not only on removing litter and waste, but also on adopting good sanitation practices and spreading awareness about their benefits. This campaign addresses various other issues related to cleanliness, such as open defecation, waste management, recycling, and safe and clean water drinking. It aims to create a society where cleanliness becomes a way of life, not just an event or a mere formality. Swachhata Hi Seva encourages individuals to make conscious choices regarding cleanliness, and it empowers communities to take ownership of their surroundings. One of the key aspects of Swachhata Hi Seva is participation and involvement of the citizens. It promotes community engagement. While individuals come together to clean public spaces, organize awareness programs, and educate others about the importance of cleanliness and hygiene. This initiative has been successful in mobilizing people from all walks of life to actively contribute to the cleanliness drive. Swachhata Hi Seva, we can address several passing issues that our country faces, such as unclean surroundings leading to diseases, pollution of water and air, and the degradation of our rural resources. By practicing cleanliness, we not only improve our immediate environment but also contribute to the overall well-being of our nation. So cleanliness is not limited to just physical spaces as well. Swachhata Hi Seva also encourages us to promote mental and emotional cleanliness by nurturing positive attitudes, compassion and respect for others. It reminds us that a clean mind and a spirit are essential for personal growth and societal development. Swachh is a significant movement that emphasizes the importance of cleanliness and hygiene in our lives. It gives us to take responsibility for our surroundings, promote a cleaner environment, and contribute to the betterment of our society as a whole. By action we take towards cleanliness is a service to our nation, ensuring a healthier, happier, and more sustainable future for all. Let us embrace this initiative wholeheartedly and make Swachhata Hi Seva a way of life. With this few words,
The State Project Office, Samagra Shiksha, in collaboration with the head station of Radio Red FM South Asia, organized a road show at Maukarwat Market with the aim of inviting all school dropouts aged 15 to 19 to continue their education up to class 12 through the National Institute of Open Schooling, NIOS, in Meghalaya. Mrs. C. Wankar, the coordinator of the State Education Mission Authority of the state, addressed the gathering, emphasizing the importance of reaching out to and registering dropouts, particularly those from economically disadvantaged backgrounds. She revealed that NIOS could cover the educational expenses for these students. Wankar further explained that there are currently 25 NIOS study centers in East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, West Jantia Hills, Ribhoi and East Garo Hills. Additionally, to bridge the gap, the Meghalaya Government State Education Mission Authority plans to establish 26 new study centers in districts that currently lack them. For students in the Maukarwat region, the government has proposed to set up an NIOS study center at Maharam Government High Secondary School, ensuring accessibility to quality education for those previously left out of the system.
Kata katkum ka report baka ai government of India kini kena kidan hado kumba arhuwe 0.9% hapo ka jilla Meghalaya juni kat ba kiwe pat kena ki badan kiwe ki jilla kata ka hari India borok kiwe kidan tang kumba khat 8%. Kemudian haka state jongi kidan nakashispa ngot ki kena dan kumba arhuwe ngot ki kena ki ba pep school no stengport te snole ran men ong bakari jongi mo bon ki kena kim pada tep haya ke pulia ke puti bon lagi kena ki pep school kimyo kalat ban pendek di kijing pulia jongi dina kata kadau ke government of India ke penmi ikini ki scheme nak ki National Institute Open Schooling lingba kan ke State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya ka bangitip ke Samagra Shiksha ke ba kabang YouTube kung kasarva shiksha abhiyan kapan mi kini ki scheme khnang ba kino ki khna ki bala pep school no lane don kino ki khna ki bam yo lat ban teng ki jing puli jung ki jese ki me ki pa kim don bor ban pha ki ban pendep ki jing puli jo ki tiling ba kan ki lingba kini ki open schooling kini ki khna ki la pat ban teng yang ki jing puli jung ki sa sisian pat te khnang ba ka jingbon jing ki khna kan kamduna lani ngin la ban rat ding khong no e kata ka jingbon jing ki khna ki ba pep school stingport kumta ka sarkar Meghalaya jongi ka pensluri ei khna i bala pep school no bakin wan ban enroll hakini ki open schooling kini ki bangi khat ki National Institute of Open Schooling te kumbala only RJ Bayo hapo state jongi ngidon tang khinyat kini ki open schooling broch kata ngidon tang kumba arpusan tli ki kini ki study center kata tang hasan tli ki district ha East Khasi Hill ha Ribhoi ha West Jantia ha East Garo Hill but ha West Garo Hill ti ha ki ki district umdan study center te nak kata kadau kani ka State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya pan ngila propose tmai sa arpun riu tli ki ni ki study center ki ban ka ba ha bro ki khat ar tli ki district hapo ka ri hapo ka jilla ka jongi tiang ni mau kerot ru ngila propose tmai ka we ka study center kata ka Maharam Government Higher Secondary School kila dadon kino ki khna ki ba la pep school ni ki ba myo shu ban pateng ki jing pulia jong ki lani ki kme ki pa ki mla shu ban pha ki cheki school kila ban register ki ni ki hang ni po Maharam Government Higher Secondary School te kum balo ong mene ri RG Bayo la dadon kino ki khna ki ba let ban shong bela shin breu Shillong lani ki ba let ban tre Shillong lani ki ki district hapo ka jela jongi pila da piko ban pateng ki jing pulia jong pi dan kam ban wan registration ni chapo shnong jong pi pila ban register ai ki study center ki badan ha ki district ki ba pisa la ni ki ba pitre Dia kabasosi kalau kawai mana kapor ngi jupelong kini ki survey na kalian jong ka office jong ka samagra shiksha ngi jupelong ka survey man laus nem ha nadu ba usdang nadu ba jankut jong benai November kum tu terhadu benai February syabangin le ya kata ka annual work plan and budget ha ka bangin pen kre kum nungin trekam barok sisnem te habang le survey kadkum ki survey bang yo ki report nju duna palat ki kena ki bawan ban ki bangi nila ban yo ling bagin ki survey kita ki kena ki bala pep school tina kata ka daw nila penlong kam kloano e gani ka road show survey e gani ka road show awareness program nang bala dadon kino ki kime ki pa ki bakwa ban pendrung school ki ki khon jong pi la ban wan ban ai kerteng chopo ka office jong ki DMC district mission coordinator ki badan hapo district lane ki block mission office ki badan haman ki blog ban ai kerteng ki khon jong pi nomor belai dan kam ban ai kerteng nomor shwa bangin prepare kata ka annual work plan dan kam ban yo kerteng jong wei kena knang bangin ha ban le kata ka online entry ban pendrung kerteng ki po online portal knang ba Shadel hi kin yo I bahkan ni ke district jong pi southwest khasihel gidan ka tangot ki kena ki badan kam ban yo jingerap badan kam ban ai ka fan nadel nani ki khor ki jong pi ba pep school lada dan menu ki bon le survey shing jong pi namar gini ki bon le survey ki wan men si teng ki lawan na po office SSA ki lawan ki ying jong pi ti le si amdan brio ying jong pi ki lawan amdan brio ti lada dan gino kena ki ba pep school dan myo sho kita ki information tikini ki batre ha SSA ro pinumla sho banwan yang sa sien arsien sheki yeng jong pi te bon sien ngi do ya kita ki information ki badai myo sho kita ki correct data kita ki jinglum jingtep ki babyang ban ai jingtep kano ki kanungot ki bakum kita ki kena ki dan kani ki district jong pi tela dadan kum kita lada hakapor ki le survey phimla ban lab ki te phila ban wan ban ai kerteng hi ki khon jong pi shapo district mission office district mission coordinator office and isha block mission coordinator office hakaba kilaban le online entry te hadian views nam do khat saus nam chani shapo mau korwat gidan pangkum basan pautam kita ki bah karta ndrio do khat saus nam kata kat kum ka report ki bangiyo na ka DMC na ki office jom DMC te hakalyang jog secondary le te duna shapo palan te na kata ka daw ngim syamyo jingerap na kalyang ka napo delhi ngim syamyo jingerap menjem senam nomor belai ngim la ban provide kita ki information jong kita kena kanumut ki pakum kita kena ngim yo dina kata daw nang ka simam state education mission authority of Meghalaya ngile kuno ni pelong khnang kum kini ki road show program dingba kadat FM hakabang inyo ai jing penshai ye ki pai ba baro bakin yo jing tep le se bu na preng jing pim tep syapang kita ki scheme prepare ki ba ka sarkar ka pentrekam bona pi pentep syapang kumno ban pendrong school bengi ki khon jong pi nakata ka dang i pendrong ini ki road show program man lagi district khnang ban ai jing tep ye ki pai ba baro ba kin pha bengi ki khon jong ki lanila dadan menu pa pep school bamyo sya ban late school behinwan kini ki NIOS study center dile si yo pisnu tho bakla kani ka scheme kam de na ka bantai gitu ki kena ki ba late ya gitu ki regular school gitu ki school ki ba late man ka sngi kata le si dong ki school ki bolong kandai bije do lai bije ne kandai bije adu arba bije kam de kani ka scheme na bantai jong gitu ki kena lada pila ban bo school ya ki khun ki jong pi ha gitu ki school sngo ba wat pen pep ya ki khun jong pi mo yo pisnu tho bakla bakadan kani ka scheme NIOS lesi ki khun jong pi ki la ban late gila ban puli arat khaju ka por ngin pen pep school yo no ye kita ki khon jumpi ki balai ye kita ki school regular school kata ka dei ki baba kalamo kani ka scheme ka dei bi thai tanglang bantai ki tu ki khna ki bala pep school ki bam yo sho kalat kalenti ban let ki school le se ki kimi ki pa ki mla sho ban pha ye ki khon jumki she school kani ka scheme ka dei bi thek na ka bantai jong kita ki khna.
In a concerning incident earlier today, an electric post in the Motran region burst into flames at 6 a.m., raising serious safety concerns for the local community. Fortunately, there were no reported injuries as the incident occurred during the early morning hours when commuters and shopkeepers were yet to populate the area. The recurring issue of electric posts catching fire has become a growing concern for the people in Motran. The Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL, responsible for the region's electrical infrastructure, must not overlook the gravity of these incidents. While there have been no reported injuries so far, it is imperative that proactive measures are taken to prevent a potentially catastrophic disaster. At this time, the exact cause of the electric post igniting remains unknown and is subject to further investigation. The Northeast Entrepreneurship Machinery Innovation and Exhibition Event, NEEMIE 2023, officially commenced today in Shillong. Running from September 20th to September 22nd, 2023, the grand inauguration ceremony featured influential personalities and dignitaries from diverse fields, emphasizing its paramount significance. Prominent guests including Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Srimati Isawanda Lalu, IAS, Shri Gunanka DB, IFS, Professor Divesh Walia and Aditya Sen. Shri Conrad K. Sangma in his inaugural speech celebrated Meghalaya's top-ranked status among small states in terms of startup and entrepreneurship ecosystems. He called for greater dedication in the years ahead. Srimati Isawanda Lalu, IAS, expressed gratitude for the collective efforts behind NEEMIE 2023 and stressed the importance of innovation and entrepreneurship in the region. The event promises over 35 machinery stalls showcasing diverse industries and technologies, fostering collaboration and growth across various sectors in the Northeast.
That without entrepreneurship in the private sector and the people being part of an economic policy of the government, we will never be able to succeed in achieving the economic goals that we have. Now, Meghalaya has roughly about 60 to 70,000 youths who enter the workforce every year. Every year. And that number will go up to about 90,000 to 1 lakh youths entering the workforce every year in the next 5 to 10 years' time. And hence there is a huge requirement for economic growth, especially from the private sector, to take place in order for us to be able to achieve or be able to provide the employment opportunities to our youth and be able to make them gainfully employable and positively employable.
In a significant development during today's Assembly session, Ronnie Lingdo, the leader of the opposition, raised a critical issue regarding healthcare infrastructure in the state. He pointed out the shortage of treatment centers, particularly emphasizing the need for an All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, similar to NIGRIM's Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences. Mr. Lingdo highlighted the pressing need for expanded healthcare facilities to ensure quality medical services to the people of the state. Expressing his concern, he urged the ministers responsible for healthcare to take this matter into serious consideration.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to start question 117, sir. A, sir, no. B, sir, no. C, sir, no. D, sir, not applicable. E, sir, NIGRIMS is already established by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, through an Act of Parliament in 1987. It is registered as an autonomous institute under the Meghalaya Societies Act 1983. So F. So the intention and purpose of the government to set up the MMDSL is to enhance drug procurement and supply management, ensuring continuous availability of medical supplies, maintenance of medical equipment for health facilities in Meghalaya, standardization, specifications, tender procedures, billing and payment systems to achieve efficiency in drug distribution. G. So yes, as per the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, which we call in short DREAM, project setting up of de-addiction centers is proposed. H. Sir, details given as per statement laid on the table of the House, sir. I. Sir, it does not arise.
Sir, in the course of the reply of the Honourable Minister to question 117A, the answer is no, B no, C no. Sir, I have here a copy, reply of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Proposal to set up more AIMS-like institution in the country, sir. The ministry has received requests from Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, Tripura, Sikkim, Mizoram, Manipur for setting up AIMS-like institute in their states. Sir, here also, in reply to the Committee on Estimates, sir, of the Parliament, the committee would desire to know whether the ministry has plans to set up, has plans to upgrade RIMS or any other medical institutions in the Northeast region in view of the fact that only one AIMS in Guwahati cannot be accessible sufficient to all Northeastern states residents for specialty and super specialty treatments. So, and then you have from the PMESY guideline is to bring health treatment as close as possible to the people of the state. Sir, may I know if other states have written, why Meghalaya has not written so far to upgrade NIGRIMS to AIMS-like institutes? Because why, sir, I'm saying this? A lot of doctors, I think it's all the knowledge of all of us, a lot of doctors from NIGRIMS have left and joined AIMS Guwahati because they have better opportunities for their career, for treatment, for everything, sir. So I would request if the government, especially under the Honourable Minister now, please take this up seriously, otherwise we're going to lose good doctors here, sir. And then a lot of poor people cannot afford to get, treatment outside the state. Very few, sir, can do that. So if we can take it, because the ministry wants to upgrade these RIMS or other institutes into AIMS-like institutes, sir. So may I request the minister, sir, if this can be taken up, then of course here there is that the ministry has cited, financial constraints of setting up AIMS in each and every state in the Northeast. But so we can always argue the case that since we have NIGRIMS, we don't need so much financial involvement because we have land, we have the infrastructure readily available, maybe a little additional here and there, sir. I think we can have the apps. May I request the minister if this can be taken up?
In a bid to ignite the love for books and knowledge among the youth, Deputy Commissioner DC Gideon Karmauplang inaugurated a 3-day book cum sale exhibition today in auditorium of Khatsao Pra College, Mairang. This enlightening event, brought to the town by the Khasi Book Agency of Shillong, aims to encourage students and young people to explore the world of literature beyond academic textbooks. Professor Bodnes Nongum, the principal of Khatsao Pra College, expressed his delight at the opportunity this exhibition provides for students in the town. As the doors of the exhibition swung open, teachers, students and children eagerly flocked to explore the literary treasures on display. The primary objective of this exhibition is to offer students the chance to purchase books at affordable prices, thereby enriching their minds with diverse knowledge and perspectives.
Last year also we do organize, and it is very, very faithful. And
I just want to draw the attention of everyone. With the cutting of this ribbon, I will declare the second book exhibition, come sale, open and dedicated to all the students of East and West District.
In a relentless pursuit to bring justice to a young schoolgirl who was assaulted while walking to school in Meghalaya, the diligent officers of Mairang police station have made significant progress in their investigation. Following rigorous efforts and hard work, the police have successfully obtained a lead on the individual responsible for the heinous act. Authorities have confirmed that the accused, fearing the consequences of the actions, has fled the village and sought refuge in other locations. The investigation is ongoing and the police have vowed to continue their diligent work until the perpetrator is apprehended and faces the legal consequences of their actions. In a proactive move to address the mounting waste disposal challenges, the Lomdat Kla community gathered today for a crucial community meeting to discuss and inform residents about their intention to implement a solid waste management system. The pressing issue of limited space for garbage disposal has prompted this initiative, exacerbated by the Bhoirambong market's significant waste output. Currently, the waste generated by the bustling Bhoirambong market is being disposed of in the Kurkalang ground due to the absence of a proper and scientific waste management method. Banbhalang Dingdo, hailing from Umpling Shillong, played a pivotal role in the meeting, addressing the community members about the significance of solid waste management. Umpling, being a seizable community, has successfully implemented a modern and environmentally friendly waste management system.
Nakanyut sa kaspa. Tama mangipat ni pelong takompong nakaspa sa kanyut. Kata kadai kawai. Te jingsya ka awareness program later ngatrai wat nakalem sang roba sno ilamat phang ba ngatrai ka jingyatai hapo ka dorbar ka jongpir ngatrai ka layatai bhashibun ba. Ka dorbar snong lumdai kla ni khot ya wer ya ki kun samla ya ka snong ya ki rongba ki longkmi kalong nakabenta ban ai ya ka awareness program kumba snuthu hi na kalyang jong ki nong snong ki babun hi ki perkhat be ya ka tai ka solid waste management ka ba plan ka bala pelong na ka kabala yo long ba ka scheme jong ka KHDC ba ki babuni perkhat ba ka de ka dumping place lane ka jaka bane bread de chule bu be yo tu nyut re kam de kuta ka de ka jaka ka ba nilai perkhat ba inom le su kum kitu ki por ki ba mensua ban chule bread tu nyut re ngi kwa ba kan longkat kum ka scientific method da ka ba ngila ban recycle biang ya yaki ban nin hak tu ke jaka kan don ki ying kumbalai tli ka wei ke ying na ka benta ban sakrike yo baput bat bomput bat yaw baput nin snasbo bat yaw bomput nin bu ka wei ka kamera ondal adap kakali ngin di no ya ki kane kan long kum kalan yo kam yo jam yong kinong snong hapok snong gejongi.
Today, the leaders of the Ribhoi Youth Development and Social Organization came forward to advocate for urgent action on the pressing power issues faced by the residents of Ribhoi. Kerbok Malai, the secretary of the organization, and Givenson Linkring, the assistant secretary, addressed the media and highlighted the need for a 132 kV power substation in Nongpo, the headquarters of Ribhoi. The leaders stressed that the establishment of this substation is crucial to efficiently distribute power to all areas in Ribhoi. They urged all representatives from Ribhoi to raise this matter in the assembly, emphasizing the significant difficulties experienced by the local population due to power shortages.
I nagaliang jong ga RBY diso I ha kane ka karwo ka khbor bat kuju ko poro I kerpan ya ki nong di khmat bodon borom jingi I bodon sangat po bod them Ribhoi ka I ka jingi I kerpan api halor ka sur ka jingi ka banagaliang upaj ba jong gadong ka than jingi ulaman mantasi kata na ki peu snem I kerpan api ba pin kren apo kane ka session ka badang don menta ba pin pan po yang ni jingi ka banagaliang jong gadong ka than ka ba pipi mi khman ba pin kren syak sorka ya kini jingi jong gadong ka than jingi habide bar kalai jing dem kam ka ba kong santam ka ba khman ka ba nagaliang jong ka them Ribhoi bro gawe hi bidem kam ka de halor ka jing wonra no ya ka 132 kV substation ka bala dem kam kriki apo jong ka nongpo ka bade ka headquarter jong Ribhoi district langba la ka jingdon ka jong ka sawan yarap ya ki jing ki ba ki chnong ki substation ki badan marjan bat ka district headquarter kanam don siu ka jingthut habide bat kalai te nangta ki area ki ba ki manadon kam siu ban poi ya ki substation kamtam le ki don ki area ki ba hadu mata ila don kam ya ka 33 kV Henry hadu mata ki dang install ya ka 11 kg kum sya ki than ki western Ribhoi ka umden area ka umsau numbri area kini ki dang penkam hadu mata ki 11 kV Henry ya itu ki area la dang kam ki benbu na daka 33 kV ke kum begelong mentah la dangin pai sya ka western Ribhoi I hadu mata ka kum ke jingtip ke jongi hilam ba mentah ke jing petri ya ka 33 kV kadang ya ka bar nado arpomer terter chadu umsong te nangta adangin pai pede ke jing ka ba nagaliang ki nong trai jong MSB abang ile ikendu iki ile itu yang jing ban nagaliang ke jongi ni sia bot pau sya concern minister bat kumjur sya ka department ba nagaliang jingi ni sebut tak kena ke jingcho sapi ba pintip yang jing ka ba nagaliang jong ginung trai jing pi ki ye kendo ka ba nagaliang jing kiru ke ye ut tam hadu mentah kum bang itip ba ka power supply ka won poi support na po ka wan lang ba napo ka stage 3 ka badai ka 33 kV substation ka ba kentuk lang na do ka busning nangta ka jentro nangta ka 0 point kini ki substation ki bawan nang do nang te ka pun poi sang do sa nampo kadon kum basan pau kilometer ka jingjingai hag jingai ti jong ki power line ka jingi kendo ka manangaliang ki nong tre jong MSB ki bi kendo hado matahi ki lamp ba namar ba ha ka jingai ti ki habia lumba lagi klau ki berben bat kemjuru itu ki jaka ki subdivision ki bedan tu kilong kimpalong updated hadu matangi lamp ba ki don artli ki substation ki bang ki haban upgrade no namar kum begelong matangi don hapo 0 point bat umsning area hakitu ki jaka hi hadu mentah keempat dan kibriu ki pa apa hang tu ya kamtam le ka porliur ka porslam nang ta ha ka porminmet ka bencar bahaya ki ban lek pin khoj lan ya ban ya kana jing ka banagal yang jengki kiman hakitu ki por ka sindik bah napta jengki ban lek ki ya ka kam de lo kana ka nungrim banagal yang jingi hi andang lawat punya bahaya ke jing ya ka jing du no galai ka ba kha hapo gani temri bojingi kadai halor kane nungrim ban ba ngidan ro ke jing se bniau ba hajing syahi ya kane ka power line apun mi yaka na po riboy Henry hadu menta lagi peu senam katem riboy hi gay man bat kayai ut hadu menta ya ka jingdu lan ka ba khakha ka ba kata nya ka kamai ka gaji kamtam le ya ki khna pule ki bram po ka jing pule ka jongki dei halor kini kinurem ba nagaliang jingi hi gisem ya ka jing kitkia bat ka jing kli na bata ka jing jong ka dong ka than ka jingi pan ki sebu do de jing thol ada ka department hi kam le nagaliang jingi klero pan ai da ka PIL sipo jong ka kod langta nagaliang jingi hi in airo ka jingi snok tilang bat ki paiba la ki dengkam ha kono kopor namar ba kum bagitip hadu mata kamen power le ka baduna ba po ka temri boy ka jingi ngintip nang e ka daw namar ya ki balayam nadu si peus ne manchwa kat ku jing tip ka jingi ka bangi yo kubor nang ne nang tai ba ngilap banda ki peu ngot ki balayam ki peus ne manchwa hadu mata om sem latung bujili ki wat ya ki contractual ajisha kat bagi pala bu ya ki permanent post ajisha ki lede ban ai ki contractual dan re hadu mata ngilang pa kamen power ka duna ba de halor kata nungrem ba nagaliang jong ka ECL kamat ya kini jing de halor kata nungrem ba nagaliang jingki ki kerpat ro yingi ba bangin yarap lem na bata ka jing na jongki hawan ngitip ba ngisuk tu yang ka jing kam jeng pejba ba nagaliang jingki ro kitip ka jing duna ka jongki andre namar ka jing bom chingkia na ka department ki concern department ki bdp don ke jingkit geli bang i buru ke jisung ngo ka bakrau ya ki company ki la ban mam da ki kror dengka bali ke jing jeng ke ri ba ke jaj bener pada kim don ke jingkit geli de lor kata nurem na kaliang jingi ada pim le na kaliang jingi klero wat ban bu da ke PL cepo jong ka haikot badon borom ke jongi benle ya ke jun kam ke jing jong ka dong ka than ke jingi de tang ta na kaliang jingi kada de ka kubor sapi kenom kmat badon borom jingi ba pin krem apo organisation kepada mendapat penpau yang jing jong kadong kathan jong phi.
In a heat-warming display of tradition and unity, the villages of Minso recently marked the completion of their annual Bekumpui ritual on September 19th. This time-honored ritual, observed with great reverence, precedes the commencement of their agricultural work and is believed to usher in a prosperous harvest. Participants included prominent figures such as Habi Janwar, the village president, Serat Minso, K. Situng, E. Sungo, Chief of Elaka Minso, K. Merchiang, Secretary of Senrat Minso, Pen Hunmi Chen, N. Shadab, Vice President of Senrat Shangpung, and other respected members of the community. Kamni Paya Chalam, a distinguished guest at the event, expressed his joy at witnessing the jubilant faces of the villagers who had gathered to partake in the ceremony. Following a brief meeting, the proceedings concluded with a heartfelt prayer and chants led by chiefs representing various community leaders followed a series of acts that symbolizes a collective commitment to a fruitful and prosperous farming season.
Dependen ikan yang satelu hau chua ai hau chua pulung pelangi nahali nahator yang i upendep ya ka ba ding khlam chat ka phoi giong i te ka du gam te
i phniang la ki hali ki lang kha teu man la u ba wa so u met u man la ho in the stage u man la u dap snam dap nai ta yo lu ti la ka ni ka ba ding khlam ba kam phoi yong i la yo man hi ka la ko lai ba yo met hi la ti la niam la nu kom yo met ti puja bukan te ngam klam la sun kenten te ai ngok la i vla yo em lang wi ni por yo la chai nang te
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.